Good day everyone, you are welcome to the channel where we talk about phones and gadgets reviews. So before we continue, if you are new here, please go down there and click the subscribe button. But if you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you to you all. You guys are the best. So in today's episode, we'll be talking about one of Samsung budget phone, great for its price, which is the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G phone. Means the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Samsung's latest budget-friendly smartphone that punches above its weight. Right out of the box, you get the essentials, that is the phone, the USB-C cable, the SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide. Simple and straightforward. The Galaxy A15 5G features a clean, modern design with a matte finish that feels premium in your hand. The 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120 hours of refresh rate ensures your content looks stunning and scrolls like a dream. Capture life's best moments with a triple camera system, a 50MP main camera, a 2MP depth sensor, and 2MP macro lens. Whether it's a close-up or a landscape, you are covered with. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus processor and 5G connectivity, the Galaxy A15 5G delivers smooth performance for game streaming and multitasking. Powered by the 5000 milliampere battery, you can go all day long without worrying about charging, and when you need to top up, the 15 watts fast charging gets you back in action quickly. For just and $199, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a proof that you don't need to spend a fortune for an incredibly smartphone experience. Subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Peace.